One little cow grazing in the sun, moo, 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 having so much fun. Two horses gallop fast as they can go, neigh, 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 watch their manes flow. Three little sheep, fluffy and white, ba, 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 what a lovely sight. Four little donkeys with a cheerful bray, hee-haw, working all day. Five little ducks waddle near the pond, quack, 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 they're splashing beyond. Six little goats jumping here and there, ma, 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 leaping without a care. Seven chickens scratching on the ground, cluck, 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 seeds they have found. Eight llamas standing so tall and proud, humming soft tunes they gather in a crowd. Nine turkeys gobbling, spreading their tails, gobble, 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 telling farm tales. 10 little rabbits hopping all around, thump, 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 they barely make a sound. Counting farm animals is so much fun. Let's do it again, start back at 1.